Hotel conversations.
We're here. Finally. I'm so tired.
Me too. The flight was long.
Yes, it was. Let's check in.
Good idea. I want to rest.
Me too. I'll talk to the front desk.
Okay, I'll wait here.
Excuse me?
Hello. Welcome.
Thank you. I have a reservation.
Great. What's your name?
My name is Mike Johnson.
Mike Johnson. Let me check.
Okay, thank you.
Is everything okay?
Yes, they're checking now.
Good. How many nights are we staying?
3 nights.
Oh, that's right. 3 nights.
Yes, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday.
Perfect. I can't wait to see the room.
Me too. I hope it's nice.
I'm sure it is. The pictures looked good.
That's true. The pictures were nice.
I'm sorry, sir.
What's wrong?
I can't find your reservation.
Really? But I have a reservation.
What name is it under?
Mike Johnson. Johnson.
Let me check again. What's happening?
They can't find our reservation.
Oh no. Did you make a reservation?
Yes, I did. I made it online.
Do you have the confirmation email?
Yes, I have it on my phone.
Show them the email.
Good idea. Excuse me,
Yes?
I have a confirmation email.
Oh, wonderful. Can I see it?
Sure, here it is.
Thank you. Let me look.
I made the reservation last month.
I see. What date did you make it?
I made it on October 15th.
Okay, let me check our system again. I hope they find it.
Me too. I'm a little worried.
It'll be okay. You have the email.
That's true. The email is proof.
Ah, I found it.
Really?
Yes, I'm so sorry. It was under a different spelling.
Oh, I see. That's okay.
Thank you for understanding. So, we can check in now.
Yes, they found it.
Great. I'm so relieved.
Me too. That was stressful.
Here are your room keys. You're in room 305. The elevator is over there.
Oh, thank you.
Finally, we have our keys.
Yes, these are card keys.
Card keys?
Yes, not regular keys. They're cards.
Oh, I see. Like a credit card.
Exactly. You put the card in the door.
That's convenient.
Yes, it is. Most hotels use card keys now.
I remember old hotels had metal keys.
Yes, that's right. Big metal keys.
Those were heavy.
Yes, they were. Card keys are better.
I agree. Where's the elevator?
It's over there. She said it's over there.
Okay, let's go.
Our room is on the 3rd floor.
3rd floor, room 305.
That's right. I'm excited to see it.
Me too. I hope it's clean.
I'm sure it is. This hotel looks nice.
Yes, the lobby is beautiful.
The elevator is here.
Great. Let's get in.
I'll press 3.
Okay. I can't wait to rest.
Me too. I'm so tired.
The flight was really long.
Yes, it was 6 hours.
6 hours is too long.
I agree, but we're here now.
That's true. We're here.
The elevator stopped. 3rd floor.
Let's find our room.
Room 305 should be this way.
I see the numbers 301, 302.
There it is, 305.
Perfect. Open the door.
Okay, I'll use the card key. Let me put the card in.
Okay.
The light is red.
Red? That's not good.
Let me try again.
Okay, try again.
I'm putting the card in.
Is it working?
No, the light is still red.
Oh no, try it slower.
Okay, I'll go slow.
Maybe you're going too fast.
Maybe let me try slowly.
How is it?
Still red. It's not working.
That's strange. Let me try.
Okay, here's the card.
I'll try now.
Go ahead.
I'm putting it in.
Is it green?
No, it's red again.
This is frustrating.
I know. What should we do?
The card key isn't working.
Maybe the card is broken?
Maybe, or maybe it's the wrong card.
Did they give us the wrong card?
I don't know. This is room 305, right?
Yes. Look, the door says 305.
And our key says 305 too.
That's weird. Everything matches.
But the door won't open.
We should go back to the front desk.
Yes, you're right. Let's go back.
This is annoying.
I know. I just want to rest.
Me too, but we need a new card.
Let's go to the elevator.
Okay, back to the lobby.
I hope they can fix this quickly.
Me too. I'm really tired now.
We'll get a new card and come back.
Okay, let's hurry. Hello again. Is something wrong?
Yes, our card key doesn't work.
Oh, I'm sorry to hear that.
We tried many times.
Let me make you a new card.
Thank you.
What's your room number again?
Room 305.
Okay, room 305. Here's a new card.
Thank you so much.
This one should work.
We hope so. We'll try it now.
If it doesn't work, please come back.
Okay, we will. Thank you.
Let's go back to the room.
Yes, 3rd floor again.
I really hope this card works.
Me too. I don't want to come back again. Here we are, room 305 again.
Let's try the new card.
Okay, I'm putting it in.
What color is the light?
It's green.
Great, it works.
Finally, let's go in.
I'm so happy.
Me too. Let me open the door.
Okay, I'll follow you.
Here we go. We're inside.
Finally, our room.
It looks nice.
Yes, it does. I like it.
There are 2 beds.
Perfect. One for you, one for me.
The bathroom is over there.
Okay, I'll check it later.
It's a little hot in here.
Yes, it is. It's very hot.
Let me turn on the air conditioning.
Good idea. Where is it?
I think it's on the wall.
I see it. It's over there.
Let me press the button.
Okay, turn it on.
I'm pressing it now.
Is it working?
I don't hear anything.
Really? Press it again.
Okay, I'm pressing it again.
Do you hear it now?
No, I don't hear anything.
That's strange.
Maybe it's broken.
Try the remote control.
Remote control? Where is it?
Maybe on the table.
Let me look. Yes, here it is.
Try using the remote.
Okay, I'm pressing the power button.
Is it working now?
No, still nothing.
This is a problem.
Yes, the air conditioning isn't working.
It's so hot in here.
I know, I'm sweating.
Me too. What should we do?
We should call the front desk.
Yes, good idea. Where's the phone?
It's on the table next to the lamp.
Okay, call them.
I'll call now.
Front desk, how can I help you?
Hello, this is room 305.
Yes, room 305. How can I help?
The air conditioning isn't working.
Oh, I'm sorry. Did you try the remote?
Yes, I tried the remote. It doesn't work.
I see. I'll send someone to your room.
Thank you. How long will it take?
About 10 minutes.
Okay, thank you.
Knock knock. Maintenance.
Oh, someone's here. I'll open the door.
Hello. I'm here to fix the air conditioning.
Thank you for coming.
No problem. Where is the unit?
It's on the wall over there.
Okay, let me check.
We tried the remote.
I see. Let me look at the unit.
Okay,
Ah, I found the problem.
what is it?
The circuit breaker was off.
The circuit breaker?
Yes, I'll turn it on now.
Okay, thank you.
There, it's on now.
I can hear it. It's working.
It should cool down soon.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Enjoy your stay.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Finally, we have air conditioning.
Yes, I'm so relieved.
Me too. It's already getting cooler.
Yes, it is. This is much better. I can't believe it's already our last day.
I know. Time went so fast.
Did you pack everything?
Yes, I'm all packed. How about you?
Almost done. Just need to close my suitcase.
Okay, we should check out soon.
Yes, check-out time is 11 o'clock.
What time is it now?
It's 10:30.
We have 30 minutes.
Yes, let's go down now.
Okay, I'll take my suitcase.
Me too. Let's go.
Don't forget the room key.
Oh, right. I have it here. Good. Let's go to the lobby.
The elevator is this way.
I'll miss this room.
Really? Even with all the problems?
Well, the bed was comfortable.
That's true. I slept well.
Me too. The pillows were nice. Here's the elevator.
Let's get in.
I'll press the lobby button.
Okay, this is it. Our last time.
Yes, back to the front desk.
I hope check-out is easy.
Me too. No more problems, please.
I agree.
Here we are, the lobby.
Let's go to the front desk.
Excuse me, we'd like to check out.
Of course. What's your room number?
Room 305.
Okay, room 305. Let me get your bill.
Thank you.
How much do you think it will be?
I think it was about $300.
For 3 nights?
Yes, $100 per night.
That sounds right. How much is it?
Wait, this says $450.
$450?
Yes, that's too much.
That doesn't seem right.
Excuse me, I think this bill is wrong.
Wrong? Let me check.
Yes, it says $450.
Let me see the charges.
I think it should be $300.
We booked 3 nights at $100 each.
I see. Let me look at your reservation. What are the extra charges for?
Let me explain. Room rate is $300.
Okay.
Then there's a parking fee.
Parking fee? We didn't park here.
You didn't use the parking?
No, we don't have a car. We came by taxi.
Oh, I see. That's a mistake then.
Yes, please remove the parking fee.
Of course. Let me fix that.
What else is on the bill?
There's also a restaurant charge.
Restaurant charge?
Yes, for breakfast.
But breakfast was included. The website said breakfast was free.
Let me check your reservation type.
Okay,
Ah, yes, you're right. Breakfast is included.
so these charges are wrong.
Yes, I apologize. I'll remove them.
Thank you.
Let me recalculate your bill.
Okay, how much is it now?
It's $300.
300. That's correct.
I'm very sorry for the confusion.
That's okay. Mistakes happen.
How would you like to pay?
I'll pay with my credit card.
Perfect. Please insert your card here.
Okay, I'm inserting it now.
Thank you. Please wait a moment. All done. Here's your receipt. Thank you for staying with us.
Thank you. Goodbye.
We are finally outside.
Yes, fresh air.
That was quite a stay.
Yes, it was. So many problems.
First, they couldn't find our reservation.
Then the card key didn't work.
And the air conditioning was broken.
Don't forget the wrong bill.
How could I forget?
But we handled everything.
Yes, we did. We solved every problem.
And we spoke English the whole time.
That's right. We explained everything in English.
I'm proud of us.
Me too. Our English is getting better.
Yes, it is. Practice helps.
Definitely. We learned useful phrases.
Like, I have a reservation.
And the card key doesn't work.
The air conditioning isn't working.
I think this bill is wrong.
These are important sentences.
Yes, we'll use them again in the future.
The next hotel will be easier.
I hope so. But if there are problems, we can handle them.
Exactly. We know what to say now.
Where should we go next?
Let's get some lunch. I'm hungry.
Good idea. I'm hungry too.
There's a restaurant down the street.
Perfect. Let's go there.